Hi, this is Classic Techart and welcome to another video. As you can see to my computer screen, this is actually a typographic design. So I think this is a best and world fantastic pretty design. So let's get started. First of all, I needed to small and keep it to the corner side. So I'm the camera here. So what's the first time? So what is the first work? I need to get to this dashboard. First of all, you see rectangle tool, rounded rectangle tool, ellipse tool, polygon tool, and many more. But I need the ellipse tool. So I select and press, and I gonna to be center. So I just here. So first of all, I needed to this and cannot to be which one? Any color I can, or I mean choose any color. Choose this one, and I need bigger little bit. I think it will be more better. So I keep the things, and I gonna to expand all the things here. Expand already. So what can I do? I need it now just to typing tool here. Gonna go press C. I need to be here just a little bit bigger. Double click here, and just I needed to type the W, capital, and I need bigger a little bit, and create this one outline. It will be more perfect. So I little bit here, just a little bit like that. No, it's more thing. This is way. So I need to now just to go to the direct selection, and I need like that. I need a little bit here. That thing will be better now. Sorry, like that. I need to go to the here a little bit smaller. I think it will be better. So I need to go to the again here. Direct selection tool, like this one, and like that. Thing. It will better. Little bit here. Yes, I think that's fine and fantastic. So what should I do? I just to go to the Pathfinder and go to the here. Okay, this doesn't matter. This color doesn't matter. It will work. No problem. This I need to go to the pen tool. So I start from here. I think it will be better as I think it will better think. So okay, so I select now. Thanks by pressing Shift key and go to the minus. See exactly what I wanted. So right now I just changed the color. Go to the color and go here. Okay, now go to the gradient and that. See, I'll just change this pattern, and you see exactly what I designed in the previous. See exactly no difference between this and that one. See, see? So I need to delete another one, and exactly this is this fantastic design. So this is called the typography design. So thanks for watching.